What's up, my homies and honeys? It's your girl Isadora. I am coming to you looking extra ratchet and just not looking, you know, up to par. But nothing new, you know. Anyways, making this video because I didn't think I introduced my new kitten to you guys. So this is what this video is going to be about. I'm going to introduce you guys to my new little kitten. He's 6 weeks old, and right now I don't know where he's at, but he's hiding. I didn't film on the day of me getting him. I planned on filming, but I never did because I was just in the moment, and it just totally just didn't cross my mind at the moment. But afterwards it did, like literally right after. Yeah, let me go ahead and introduce Lotus to you guys. Lotus, come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. And there you have. Say hi, Lotus. Oh, he's saying hi, guys. Hi. Look at him playing hide and go seek with me. Ain't nobody trying to play hide and go seek with your ass. Ah. Look at him. But yeah, if you guys couldn't tell already by the name, he is a male. And I named him after the lotus flower because I just think lotus flowers are so cute and they symbolize purity, rebirth, and growth. And I just love it. And look at him, he's so cute. Look at him, he's like, oh my god, look, there's a camera. I think he likes the camera. He's just like his mommy. Yep, loves the camera. So yeah, that is Lotus. I've been working on our bond, which is why I haven't really posted him sooner. And I've just been wanting to work with him, but like now I think he's very comfortable. Hi, Lotus. Look at you, baby. So yeah, I've been working with him and he's comfortable now. He's been jumping on my bed, and guys, my bed is up really high. He literally climbs up there. He goes through the back because it's easier on the other side because of the heater compartment on the bottom. I guess it gives him a little boost. But here he is. Yeah, he loves playing with anything that I wear on my feet. He loves these sandals, by the way. So this is my first time having a cat, if I didn't make that obvious already. Although I did have guinea pigs in the past, it's really not the same. It's totally not the same. And right now I'm just gonna insert a couple clips from the first days of when I got Lotus. They're super adorable, so just be aware of that. Be careful. Mm-hmm.